Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, may I have your attention, please? Due to the approaching inclement weather, the water attractions at Blizzard Beach are now temporarily closed. We must ask that you exit all water and beach areas as quickly as possible. Please take all small children by the hand, gather all your personal belongings, and find shelter areas. If you wish to exit Blizzard Beach, please keep your tickets.
Get out of the water. Get out of the water. Get out of the water.
Please, for your own safety, do not remain on the beach or in unprotected areas. We will notify you when you may return to your day's activities. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated.